Hello dears! Welcome to my channel! Enjoy watching and don't forget to subscribe!
Oh, you eat na. Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Wow. Say hi. Hello. Sabi mo, hi guys.
Hi!
Wow. Sing, let it go. Let it go. Mana sa daig ni Mami, oh. Hi, grabe guys. Kakaligo ko lang and 8:30 na ng gabi. Ay, naku. Ang dami kasing work ngayon. Kaya, anong oras na ako natapos? Si Sam. Kaya lang muna ako ng Nagaraya. Kumain na kami kanina. Pero konti lang din yung kinain namin. Favorite ko na talaga itong Nagaraya. Yung Nagaraya na, tawag dito? Nagaraya na barbecue tsaka yung spicy, masarap. Super. Good evening guys. It's 10:23 in the evening. And it's Saturday. Tsaka pumasok yung husband ko. Dapat wala siyang pasok today, pero pumasok siya. Pero sa Monday wala daw. So there. Ang aking baby kakatulog lang niya. And idlip lang yan. Yes. Babangon pa yan mamaya later, madaling araw. Tapos saka matutulog ng mga 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. Kaya kailangan ko na siyang sabayan. Pero before that, I need to put the aloe vera gel muna para ma-moisturize yung face ko. So there, I just want to say sweet dreams guys and have a good night. Good morning. It's 12 o'clock in the morning and nagising na ulit si baby ko. So, pag nagising siya ng ganyan, matutulog siya later mga 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. So, buti sinabayan ko kahit pa paano. So, there, gising na naman kami. Good morning. Good morning, Sam. Sam, good morning. Don't have a dad enough. Good morning. Ay, Pungina. Good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm a Siopaw. Baby Siopaw.